Aaron Sporer joins us now with more on the confusion of hemp laws.
There has been a lot of confusion on if hemp-derived CBD is legal or not, causing groups to voice their concerns in hopes of getting a more clear understanding of hemp laws. Hemp and marijuana are similar, both coming from the species Cannabis sativa, but there's one major difference between the two, and that is the THC levels. THC is what causes a high, and hemp has a very low number. Part owner of Wichita Falls Industrial Hemp Development Company, LLC, Brian Ferris says, the farming of hemp brings great benefits, and that is what has led him to spend a lot of time in Austin with the lawmakers.
Texas is the #1 rated state for land and development and usage, and we've got a lot of farmers out there that really need this crop in their rotation because what it does to the soil, the carbon that it pulls out of the air.
But a few weeks ago, 2 police raids of hemp-derived CBD products happened in North Texas. Because of this, the U.S. Hemp Roundtable says they don't have a problem with taking true marijuana, but hemp-derived CBD that is sold in some stores shouldn't be taken.
It's already been regulated. The point is it's got so less a percentage of a THC or the hemp in it as well. So it's such a small amount, it's not going to be an amount that's going to affect somebody.
Wichita County Sheriff David Duke says although hemp and marijuana have different effects on people, the law is clear on whether it is legal or not.
The way it deals with people, it doesn't make them, it's not like having this full THC of the actual marijuana itself that they're using. So it's a little different, but it still is illegal to have it in Texas. It's still a felony.
And with the rise in popularity across the country, Sheriff Duke hopes any confusion will be resolved when it comes to the state of Texas. After the efforts of people like Brian Ferris in Austin, come April 5th, industrial hemp will be off the Schedule 5 drug testing list.
All right, Jaron, thank you so much.
Down in Austin, lawmakers discussed the decriminalization of marijuana altogether. On Monday, a Texas State House committee approved a bill to decriminalize the possession of marijuana under specific conditions.
HB 63 would make possession of 1 ounce or less of marijuana a civil penalty, not a crime, with a fine not exceeding $250. A third offense would be a Class C misdemeanor. Police chiefs and sheriffs from all across Texas are now warning lawmakers against this.
When consumers believe or see that something is legal, there's a perception that it must be less harmful, and that is just not the case.
Both major parties in Texas support taking steps to decriminalize cannabis. Supporters say the new proposals this session would save taxpayer money by allowing the court system to prioritize other crimes.